All right, y'all, today we're gonna build a strawberry bed out of some scrap materials I got right next to the raspberries. So I'm gonna build like a little grow bed right in front. So I'm gonna go grab the scrap material. We're gonna take these and we're gonna pretty much cut them down the middle. So the bed is gonna be like this tall. That's the plan. So I got 20 bare root plant. Well, I got 20 plants. The spacers say 18 inches apart. I'm gonna have them closer than that. I got this stuff. So, yeah, I might have to. So each bed is gonna be this long, and I'm gonna cut it in half. So it's gonna be two sides, and I'm gonna cut these in half. That's how wide they're gonna be. And I ain't got no soil to put in it. So what I'm gonna do, the berry patch, all the spaces in between, I used to have beds there. So what I'm gonna do is till all that stuff up and throw it inside of these. And I'm also, eventually we're gonna cover the top too with some type of cloth so nothing won't get in it. But that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get what I need because I gotta cut up some pallets. All right, let's get it. Make sure I put this on the right side this time. All right, y'all, we in the game. Sorry I'm not really explaining much in this video. It's really because I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put these on the outside to secure this. So I'm gonna build something that come up, over, and down in the middle to hold the middle from spreading. But for the most part, it'll hold up. That's all I needed to do. So I'm gonna till this up in the middle and the rest of this soil right here and dump it all in the bed. All right, we got some Eversweet. Eversweet, it says it's everbearing, excellent for warm climates, delicious, fresh or frozen. That's what this says. So, and we got Sequoia. Sequoia is June bearing, cold hardy berry, excellent fruit for desserts. So that's what we got. Both of these I got from Tractor Supply. About $10 a piece, $8.99, something like that. Now this stuff says, it's what it is, raised bed, potting mix. So, Organic Plus. So that's what I'm using, Kellogg brand. Spread this out. All right, y'all, we're gonna put the Sequoias, which is the June bearing. We're gonna put these down here. And we're gonna put the everbearing up here. Show y'all how they look. All right, roots on the bottom, crown up top. That's how they come. 10. Now it says 18-inch spacing. I just want to hurry up and get these in the ground so they can catch up to the other berries. That's the top, and bottom. Appreciate y'all for tuning into this one. Finally got these down. It took 2 days, but we got it done. I got Sequoia down here and Eversweet up here. If y'all growing strawberries, let me know what varieties y'all growing and how's it going. But I'm glad, I'm happy. We getting there, y'all. Little berry patch starting to look like something out here. So pretty soon, I'm gonna fence all this in. So right now, dewberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries. We're gonna fence it in. We're gonna have a very good time. I'm sorry. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. To the next one.